I recently bought these Govee Light Bars for my racing sim to simulate track lighting. And after connecting it to my Wi-Fi and doing the entire setup process, I realized that the lights are not working with SimHub. I mean, the SimHub is able to detect the lights, but I'm not able to control it. So just like everybody else, I went on the internet, I went to Google, I went to Reddit to find a solution, but unfortunately, nothing worked for me. First of all, a lot of tutorials on Google and YouTube says that you have to install Razer Synapse and then the Razer Chroma modules and the Govee desktop app to use these with SimHub. But what I have realized is that you don't need the Razer Synapse software to use this with SimHub. Now it's for those who actually got the light working with SimHub, but for me, they were not working. So after messing around for a few hours, I came up with a pretty simple solution. And the solution was right there inside the Govee desktop app. Now what you have to do first is once you set up the lights, go to your Govee mobile application and go to settings and turn on LAN control. This is a one-time process, so turn it on and forget about it. Then go to your computer and install the Govee desktop app. Once the application is up and running, you will see your light in the device list. Now make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi and that this blue LAN icon is also enabled. Next, go to Dream View and click on Movie Watching / Gaming Dream View. Now I already have a light set up, but still I'm going to click on the plus icon to add a new light. Give it a name and we'll select a light and click on confirm to add it. Okay, so now I have my light added and it's turned on. Now here I have a layout of my monitor. So what I have to do now is I'll click here on the color picking area settings. Next, I'm going to create a new template. So I'll click here on add template button. Now we want our light bars to simulate the light that falls on our car's dashboard. And in most sim titles, the dashboard lies somewhere around this area. So what we'll do is we'll select this and we'll click here on the plus icon. Again, we'll do this for the second light, LED panel, third, fourth, fifth, and then sixth. Now we'll give our template a name. Let's say we'll say racing game. And now we'll simply click on save and apply. Click on confirm and that's it. Now just run your favorite sim title and have fun with your new Govee light bars. Just make sure that the Govee desktop app is running in the background. If you have any queries, feel free to drop them in the comment section below and make sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.